This is just a brief short video, but I just wanted to show you. Yeah. Now what we have here is 3 1/4 cup to 3 1/2 cup of flour, all purpose, 1/4 cup of sugar, a pack of yeast. It could be rapid, it could be active, 1/4 cup of salt, and of course I'm using salted butter. If you are using unsalted, you may want to up your salt. 1 egg. I'm using a stand mixer, but you can use a bowl and your hands. If you have a hand mixer with a dough attachment, you may use that as well. To my mixing bowl, I'm going to add a cup of water. This water is straight from the tap. I run my tap until it's really hot, and then I'm going to add yeast. I'm going to add sugar to the warm water, and I'm just going to stir it around until it starts dissolving. And now I'm going to add my yeast. I try to get every bit of it. And you're going to stir that as well. You want to let that sit for about 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. And as you can see, it's nice and foamy. So now I'm going to add butter. I'm going to add about half a stick here. Very soft butter. I'm going to add that 1 beaten egg. And now I'm going to add my dough hook. Because now I'm going to slowly add in my flour. Oops. I forgot to add in the salt. The remaining of that flour, and that's 3 1/4 for me. Now we're going to do this until the mixture forms a soft ball, pulling away from the sides. As you can see, it's starting to pull away just a little. I'll give it a few more minutes. And if I don't see it start to really pull away a little bit more, then I might add just a sprinkle of flour. Now I'm just going to knead. Still a little tackier than what I like. Little tip, put a little oil in the hands. Prevents it from sticking to my hands so much. I'm greasing a bowl with some butter. And now I'm going to take this dough, stick it in. I'll lightly oil the top. And because my oven is already on, this is the perfect place for it to rise. You can cover it with a damp towel, or you can cover it with saran wrap. I'm just going to use a towel here. And when it doubles, we'll be back. All right, so let's just take a look. I already buttered it. You see how tender that is? And it's hot. Yeah. It's hot. Let's see. But it's going to go good with this meal here. Thanks again for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to let you know when the next video will be available. Have a great day.